The news we're following tonight at 11, the woman accused of killing a Yulee hairstylist and mother of three, Jolene Cummings, is on the verge of death following a 56-day hunger strike. That's according to court records. So the woman we're referring to, her name is Kimberly Kessler. You see her right there. An emergency motion filed Wednesday seeks to send Kimberly Kessler to a psychiatric hospital immediately to prevent her death from starvation. The motion says Kessler has refused food for months at the Nassau County Jail and was recently hospitalized due to the severity of her condition. Right now, due to a Department of Children and Families order, patients are not being accepted at state psychiatric hospitals due to the COVID-19 pandemic. Now, it's not clear if Kessler will be allowed to move to a state hospital. Cummings' body has never been found.